Good evening, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Rudra, ladies and gentlemen, parents of my very dear students, it really gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first annual function of Ebenezer International School, Nashik. Though the first year, I am proud to say that the school has escalated to great horizons of success, and today it is seen as one of the tallest institutions of the city. It has become synonymous with academic excellence, a benchmark to measure co-curricular excellence, and also a center which creates responsible citizens. We are very grateful to our Honorable Director, Mrs. Pinky Pujara. It's because of her valuable guidance, encouragement, and support that all this has been possible. From the humble beginning we made in 2015, having crossed many measurable milestones, today our school has become a dream destination for many. I wish to begin celebrating our success by expressing my gratitude to all our Ebenezer family whose vision, wisdom, and missionary zeal inspired all stakeholders to work with us with passion and commitment. We also remember with gratitude every one of those, every parent, every teacher, and every student who did his best to build this edifice of excellence. The progress of any institution depends on a committed faculty, supportive administrative staff, a large pool of resources, responsive students, and cooperative parents. We are indeed very lucky to have all these elements. I am reminded of a story over here. There was once a king who was presented with 2 falcons, birds, which he got from Arabia. He called one of his head trainers and asked him to train the birds. Months passed by, and then the trainer reported, though one of the bird was flying high in the sky, the second was still on its branch. The king called different trainers from all over the country, but no one could do anything about the second bird. The king then thought, why not call someone who's more familiar with the land? So he called a farmer. Within 2 days, he came to know that the second bird was also soaring high up in the sky. He then called and asked the farmer, how did you do it? The farmer said, head bowed, Your Majesty, it was very simple. I simply cut the branch on which the bird was sitting. Actually, we are all made to fly. Our children are made to fly. They have an incredible potential in them. But then we all love to sit on our branches, clinging to the comforts and the fears. So what we need to do is just cut the so-called branches, and then we achieve what we want to. Children learn more by exploring. So let's not all be very protective towards our children. In our annual function, you would be seeing that each and every student comes on the stage. Our endeavor is to make them confident. And we also want them to imagine and dream, because we believe if you can dream it, you can do it. And dear parents and my dear friends, even I have a dream. And we all can achieve if we work together. Here I am reminded of my favorite lines of Rabindranath Tagore. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, dear parents, And once again, I request what my dear little children said, kindly enjoy the function till the end of the program.